Yeah. Watch out now. Amaziyah the Great there to the fullest. But they are going to vibe some of my music. Tell them precisely. You know, sir, me have a show up on YouTube named Tell Them Precisely. We interview all kind of people. Artists, poets, models, actors, actresses. This coming Sunday, the 7th, wanna check me out on youtube.com/Great Amaziyah. 5 o'clock. TDP show. Tell them precisely. We have some guests that gonna come on the show them want. And Harvey, big up yourself. Remember, check me out this coming Sunday, 5 p.m. We have a show going to go on. You get to me and say, we have a live show going to go on. We are interview some people to the world. And make the people them know what go on, because all heap of talent there in Jamaica. And at the end of the day, them unheard of. You get to me and say, so we start 3 Sundays ago. Tell them precisely what Amaziyah the Great. Look it up on YouTube. You don't know. We are doing this to the fullest. Because while we're there in the pandemic, we not just take in a bag of nonsense. Because you have people who want positive meditation. You have people who want, all kind of things. But when you get distracted and confused with illusion, you get to me and say, we try to tell you them say stay positive, stay focused. And at the end of the day, use the creativity and take advantage of it. This time when people are in the yard right now, you have to just show people what you can do, what you're about. You get what I say? Big up all of the fans of Amaziyah the Great music, films and arts. Check out the Tell Them Precisely show on youtube.com. Go and go subscribe to the channel and support it to the fullest. Tell your friends and tell them to tell their friends and tell the whole of your family them. You don't know, big up my youth, them nation and journey. Big up the fans them all across the globe. Big up the people that have been supporting Amaziyah the Great music, films, art. Check out My Name is Pam, that short film by Amaziyah the Great, featuring my sister Quality. It's on YouTube for you to go check out. Jade Campbell, big up yourself, enough respect. Big up. Big up all of the fans them, big up all of the supporters. And as me say, Amaziyah the Great will be having his live show, Tell Them Precisely, on youtube.com, Great Amaziyah. Check it out. You don't know, we might interview you one of these days, you never know. You get to me and say, because we don't specialize in over here. You don't have to be celebrity status. We interview anybody. From you have a story, we can talk about anything. You get to me and say, we willing to interview you, talk about you, your journey and struggles, what you've been through, what you want to do, what inspires you. Anything we can hold a vibe on. You don't know. We're there to the fullest. I say big respect to the fans, because they are the ones who put we on this platform and forefront. So we feel the true stars who we really are. You get what I say? Because without the fans we are nothing. You get what I say? So like I say, big up everybody. Big up my pitney them nation and joining straight. Big up the fans them yard and abroad. Jill Murray, big up yourself. You get to me and say, kids support kids, big up on yourself. You don't know, Spanish Town representing to the fullest. And just remember, I'm not do this thing too long. Just remember, Sunday at 5 p.m. tune in to the Tell Them Precisely show. Tell Them Precisely. Greatness, great way at the gateway.